Please subscribe, follow and like engineeringall.com.
The unexpected blending of coolant with engine oil is an automotive nightmare that demands swift attention. This comprehensive guide goes beyond the surface to provide a detailed step-by-step walkthrough on diagnosing, addressing, and resolving the issue of coolant mixing with engine oil. By following these instructions, you can safeguard your vehicle's performance, prolong its lifespan, and save yourself from potential engine damage. Step 1. Recognize the signs. Before delving into the solution, it's vital to recognize the red flags, indicating that coolant is mixing with your engine oil. These symptoms often include 1. Milky oil. A glance at the oil dipstick reveals oil that appears milky, frothy, or lighter in color than usual. 2. Overheating. Frequent engine overheating or higher than normal temperatures could indicate coolant mixing issues. 3. White exhaust smoke. If your exhaust pipe is belching thick white smoke, especially during startup, it points to coolant infiltrating the combustion chamber. 4. Coolant loss. Significant coolant loss without visible leaks could mean it's seeping into the oil system. Step 2. Diagnose the issue. Accurate diagnosis is pivotal. Begin by conducting a thorough diagnostic process. 1. Coolant system pressure test. Use a pressure tester to examine the coolant system for leaks. If pressure drops or the tester indicates a drop in pressure, it's a sign of a leak that's likely causing the coolant oil mixture. 2. Cylinder compression test. Perform a cylinder compression test to identify potential leaks between the combustion chamber and the cooling system. 3. Coolant reservoir inspection. Examine the coolant reservoir for oil contamination, a telltale sign of a failing head gasket or a cracked engine block. Step 3. Determine the cause. Understanding the root cause is pivotal before attempting repairs. 1. Failed head gasket. A failed head gasket can allow coolant to infiltrate the combustion chamber, causing coolant oil mixing. 2. Cracked engine block. A crack in the engine block can also permit coolant and oil to mix due to compromised sealing. 3. Worn cylinder liners. If cylinder liners are worn, they may allow coolant to seep into the oil passages. Step 4. Fixing the issue. Based on the identified cause, proceed with the appropriate corrective measures. 1. Replacing the head gasket. In the case of a failed head gasket, replacement is paramount. This intricate process entails removing the cylinder head, meticulously cleaning surfaces, and installing a new gasket. 2. Engine block repair. When a cracked engine block is the root issue, repairing or replacing the block is essential, contingent upon the extent of the damage. 3. Cylinder liner replacement. If worn cylinder liners are causing the problem, installing new liners could be the solution. Step 5. Follow proper procedures. Precision and adherence to proper procedures are essential during repairs. 1. Thorough inspection. Before proceeding with repairs, conduct a comprehensive inspection of the entire engine to ensure no additional issues exist. 2. Precision work. Engine repairs demand precision. Use the correct tools and adhere to manufacturer guidelines for torque specifications and procedures. 3. Quality parts. Always opt for high-quality replacement parts to ensure longevity and dependability. Step 6. Post-repair checks. Upon completing repairs, conduct post-repair checks to validate the resolution. 1. Pressure test. Retest the coolant system pressure to verify the absence of leaks. 2. Oil change. Changing the oil and filter is crucial to eliminate any lingering contaminated oil. 3. Coolant flush. A thorough coolant flush rids the system of any residual mixture. 4. Monitor. Keep a vigilant eye on your vehicle's performance, oil quality, and coolant levels over the ensuing weeks to ensure the issue does not recur. The complex process of rectifying coolant mixing with engine oil demands meticulous attention and adherence to protocols. Swift diagnosis and resolution are imperative to prevent escalating damage. Whether it's a failed head gasket, a cracked engine block, or worn cylinder liners, meticulous execution of these steps assures the health of your vehicle, guaranteeing optimal performance and longevity. By investing the time and effort to undertake these repairs, You're not only safeguarding your vehicle's future but also ensuring your peace of mind on the road.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the red button to subscribe for more videos.